Hello, it's me, Jose, for another conducting assignment. Uh, okay, so starting with the first part, looking back at the video and seeing my strengths and weaknesses. For the most part, I felt like my strengths were I knew the conducting patterns, I knew them well. Uh, Keeping tempo was kind of consistent. Um, I kind of like had it kind of showed like I had like an understanding of the piece, especially in number seven. They're like it was a my conducting kind of like matched how the piece goes. And, like I did like some kind of like like whenever no one was playing, I would just be conducting soft, and then when people come in, I'd come back, I'd have more presence with my conducting. So that kind of shows I have like a idea of what of like how to conduct the pieces. Um, my weaknesses, which starting with the number one, not the first excerpt, but like the like number one, not the exercises, but because I did exercise three, but I'm talking about excerpt number one. Anyway, for number one, I felt like the starting beat was kind of either a little faster or a little slower. It didn't quite match the tempo that I conducted after. And so that, and another thing, looking back at my left hand, which I didn't use a lot of, pretty much only used once, but we'll get back to that. Um, my left hand was like not present. It was just very down here. It's like I'm tall, so this feels fine, but it probably feels fine for everyone, no matter what their height is. Anyway, so maybe I feel like my left hand should be more present, more higher, because my left hand was more right here, and it's I kind of didn't see it. So people probably didn't like like catch it very well. Um, so yeah, my left hand could be more present. Uh, Going to excerpt number seven, that's the excerpt that I had like kind of an understanding, but I feel like there's this one point where no one was playing and my left hand was coming up, but it didn't come up. So my left hand hesitated, which I felt might have confused people. It definitely confused me. I intended to use my left hand, but I didn't. And that's the other thing. I feel like I should start incorporating my left hand more. Maybe instead of just doing one, two, dun 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 dun, people would understand it more if I just added my left hand to to kind of like, I don't know, reinforce the idea of this is a rest. Dun 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 dun, come back. And well, yeah, that's pretty much it. So use my left hand more, use my left hand wisely, have my left hand be more present. Basically, it's the left hand. The left hand's the problem. And make sure my entrances are all right. And yeah, I mean, I think that's it. All right, cool. On to the next video.